Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another episode of Keigo Moriyama Photography with
Emmy.
Yeah. So today we are in Kamakura to attend a workshop, workshop about photo, and we are trying different kind of. You have to be close, or I can. We are trying different kind of instant camera, and Emmy, you have with you
This one.
Wait a moment, let me.
This one.
Yes, Instax RF70, and I have with me now this one, the newly released Instax Mini LiPlay. The new Instax LiPlay is both a camera and a smartphone printer, but at the same time you can record sound and apply frames and filter. The camera is really small, as you can see, compared with the size of an iPhone 7 Plus. It's even smaller. But if we try to feel how is it in terms of touch, honestly you really have big difficulties in terms of grip. And another big problem is the button that is positioned in a place that honestly I don't find so convenient. Here the camera color is called stone white, but also you can find it in elegant black and brush gold. I'm personally not so interested in the features of applying new frames or using the audio, but I have to say that as a first impression the quality of the pictures are really good. And the possibility that you can also use it as a printer connecting with your smartphone, I feel like it's something really fun. So one of the first difficult things of this camera is the way that you have to handle, because the shutter button is here, but when you handle it, it's far. You can't do that with one hand. And on the other hand, you are used to be close to the button here that is for audio. So in case you use your left hand to handle the camera on the other side and be close here to the shutter button, then you are going to cover the place where the picture will come out. But because this camera doesn't pull out the picture immediately, so probably that can be a solution. On the other hand, one of the positive things is that because you use it more as a digital camera and not immediately as an instant camera, you can review the picture and decide if you like and you want to print them or not. Does it really worth to buy the camera? Honestly, I'm not that sure. Well, if you already have an Instax camera with you, I feel like you can simply keep using that one. But if you're looking for an external printer that allows you to print the picture from your phone, yeah, probably it can be a valid alternative. Of course, the quality of the pictures are not that great in terms of the size of the sensor, but yeah, considering that it's so small and you can bring it with you pretty easily, as well as the battery itself seems to be quite good, I feel like can be a nice companion on your travels.